Hi, I'm Jay with Family Handyman, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful indoor planter. It's a very simple project with easy to make or readily available trim. The most complicated part was the way I chose to do the corner joinery. Let me show you how I did it. First, I broke down sheet goods using a track saw so it's easier to cut on my table saw. Here I ripped the 1x4 material to make the cap trim. I used a 3/8 inch roundover bit to profile the cap trim. I sanded all my sheet goods and trim stock to 180 grit. Then I applied white gel stain to neutralize the color of the plywood. After the gel stain was allowed to dry for an entire day, I top coated with a water-based polyurethane. I used the water-based because I didn't want it to yellow over time. For this project, I chose to use a lock miter bit for the corners. It gave me a super clean look, and glue up was a cinch. To get the look I was after, I started with an iron oxide stain followed by an amber shellac. Then I finished all my pieces at once using a gel urethane. So with the lock miter bit, glue ups are very easy. Things stay very square all on their own. All you need is a few clamps. I used a jigsaw to cut out the holes for my planter pots. It took a little trial and error to get it to seat just right. Using instant grab construction adhesive, I glued the ledger boards and the feet to the inside of the cabinet. I stapled 3mm plastic to the ledger board to prevent damage from overwatering. First, I attached the trim cap pieces using a little glue and some brad nails. And then I moved on to the skirts. For the top and bottom skirt trim, I used readily available base cap. I painted the inside of the planter box and the planter tray with a durable oil-based paint. After setting the plants in the planter box, it was time to fill the top with black river rock. So there you have it. This simple planter box is a great weekend project, and it's a perfect addition to any room in the house. For more DIY projects and plans like this, visit FamilyHandyman.com.